Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the best mini portable camera on the market, the cuoum L2 mini camera. If you're looking for a compact, versatile, and easy-to-use camera that fits in the palm of your hand, this little device might just be what you need. Measuring only 4.7 by 2.6 by 1.4 centimeters and weighing just 17 grams, the cuoum L2 is incredibly lightweight and portable. Its small size makes it perfect for on-the-go use. Whether you want to monitor your baby, keep an eye on your pets, secure your home, or even use it for lectures and travel documentation. You can easily slip it into your pocket or bag without it taking up any significant space. This camera focuses solely on video recording without audio, adhering to Amazon's no audio recording policy, making it suitable for discrete video capture. Operating the camera couldn't be simpler. Just insert a TF card, turn the single button to start or stop recording. And your videos are automatically saved. No complicated software or apps are needed. When you want to view your footage, just connect the camera to your computer or laptop via the included USB-C data cable and access the files directly. It's straightforward and user-friendly for everyone. When it comes to video quality, the cuoum L2 mini camera delivers crisp 1080p Full HD video at 30 frames per second. It also offers flexibility with video timestamps. You can choose to display or hide the time watermark, helping you organize and manage your recorded footage more efficiently. One of the standout features is its loop recording capability. This means that once the TF card storage is full, the camera will automatically overwrite the oldest videos, ensuring continuous recording without the need to manually clear storage space. This feature is especially useful for home security or monitoring pets and children throughout the day without worrying about storage limits. In addition, the camera supports motion detection recording mode. When set to this mode, it starts recording only when movement is detected, which can save a significant amount of storage space. Plus, it can keep recording while charging, so you won't lose footage even if the battery runs low during use. Speaking of battery, the camera is powered by a built-in rechargeable battery. A full charge takes about 2 hours, making it quick to get back in action. While the camera itself isn't water-resistant, it's designed for both indoor and outdoor use as long as it's protected from direct exposure to water. The package comes with the mini camera, a user manual, a USB-C data cable for easy file transfer and charging, and a reset pin to restore the device if needed. Keep in mind, the TF card is not included, so you will need to purchase one separately to start recording. In terms of design, the cuoum L2 is sleek and minimalistic, with a discreet black finish. Its compact form factor allows it to be mounted freely wherever you like, on a shelf, desk, or carried with you for portable use. This versatility is perfect for various scenarios, whether at home, in a warehouse, or even during travel. To sum it up, the cuoum L2 mini camera combines portability, simplicity, and solid 1080p video performance in a small package. It's an excellent choice for anyone wanting a reliable mini camera without the fuss of apps or Wi-Fi connections. Whether you need a baby monitor, pet cam, or a portable security camera, this device offers a straightforward solution with smart features like loop recording and motion detection. That wraps up our review of the cuoum L2 mini camera. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.